Are you ready for a security camera system with no subscription fees? The Reolink 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐤𝐞 Ultra setup offers 4K quality, AI-powered motion detection, local storage, and battery-powered cameras charged by solar panels. Stick around to see why this is to be considered. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to DIY Reed. If you're new here, I'm Reed. And on this channel, we dive into all sorts of cool stuff, from tech and home projects to automotive how-tos, lawn care tips, scooters, and so much more. So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Reolink 𝐴𝐸𝐸 Ultra security system. There are quite a few different things about this setup that caught my eye. Not only are these 4K cameras, but in the kit, it comes with solar panels for each of the security cameras. And then it also comes with the Reolink Home Hub, which is really nice. All this for a great price. The 2-camera kit is a little over $200, and the 4-camera kit is about $350. I'll leave links in the description below so you can check out current pricing, as I know I understand it fluctuates a little bit. I normally don't like switching out cameras on my house when I go and review them, so I usually just review them and then I either take them away or do whatever and leave them back for later on. I've had the same cameras set up on my house for about 7 years. Not that they're the best cameras out there, but it takes a lot of effort to move them, reinstall, and all that. So I've decided I'm going to go ahead and reinstall the Reolink 𝐴𝐸𝐸 Ultras, mainly because of the price, as well as all the features that it offers. The Reolink 𝐴𝐸𝐸 Ultra offers 4K quality video, delivering footage at 15 frames per second during the daytime, and then at nighttime, during night vision or color night vision, it's 12 frames per second. Not a lot of frames per second, but that's the norm when you're talking about security cameras for consumers. It's got a wide 125-degree diagonal field of view with 105 degrees horizontally and 55 degrees vertically. This allows for extensive coverage over your property. As you can see here, it covers most of my backyard from the side of my house. It has a built-in spotlight with 6500 Kelvin color temperature, which enhances the visibility of low light situations. And the camera is powered by a rechargeable 21.6 watt-hour battery. For connectivity, the camera supports dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. And it includes a local storage via the micro SD card on each camera. However, it does allow up for 120 gigs on each camera. If you have the Reolink Home Hub, which if you bought the kit, it comes with it. This comes with no subscription fees, and the Home Hub allows for 2 slots of up to 512 gigs each. The Reolink 𝐴𝐸𝐸 Ultras have a smart AI motion detection, which identifies people, vehicles, and pets. This provides high accuracy when it comes to alerts. It also has IP66 weather resistance rating, which also ensures durability during all these elements out there. Rain, snow, shine, you name it. It's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. This camera makes it easy to integrate with your smart home. In the box, you get the camera mount, a strap to mount the camera to a pole or a tree, USB-C for charging, some mounting screws and drywall anchors. Taking a closer look at the camera, at the top you have the spotlights. Then down below that you have the microphone, the camera lens, the light sensor, a PIR sensor, and on the outside you have the infrared LEDs. On the bottom you have the speaker. You have 2 rubber flaps. The first one here has the micro SD card and a power and reset button. The other one has the USB-C port for charging. And notice on the back, you don't have the standard 1/4-20 thread for the camera mount, which is interesting. Taking a quick look at the Reolink Home Hub, it has a status light up front. Turning around on the back, it has a speaker for the alarm, a spot for power, 2 micro SD card slots at 512 gigs each for storage, and then an Ethernet port. This can connect up to 8 Reolink cameras. Let's take a look at the features on the smartphone app. So I'm going to be as quick as possible, but I'm going to cover as much information as I can with the features of this app. So I will skip a few things, but I'm going to cover the things that I think is important here. So as you can see here, I have 2 cameras, my backyard and my driveway, hooked up to my Home Hub. My front doorbell isn't, that's why it's not listed here in conjunction there. So for the Home Hub, I can go in here and click on it. Right now I have it on home mode. Home mode allows it to record at all times. Away mode, you can change those modes if you want. If I'm getting a lot of notifications because my kids are playing in the backyard and I don't really want to record anything, I can do disarmed if I want to, and it will disarm those cameras. Going into the settings area, this allows me to change any settings with the Home Hub, which Wi-Fi is one of them. So one of the things is with a Home Hub, it's going to allow you to, it's going to send out a 5G and a 4G or 2.4 gig signal out. So that way the cameras can connect to the actual hub via Wi-Fi or its own Wi-Fi signal. I don't have them connecting to that. I have them connecting to my home Wi-Fi because my home Wi-Fi have multiple access points out there, and it's going to be a lot better for them to connect to that versus the Home Hub in the middle of my house. So I turn those off so that way they're not competing with any signals out there. Now, you can go to sounds. This allows you to set the sounds of the actual Home Hub, if there's an alarm going on or not. The light is the little light in front. I mean, I have it on. In all reality, it doesn't really need to be on. I guess it's for a quick glance. To notice if it's working. Push notifications. This is the push notifications of the actual unit itself, not the cameras. And one thing I noticed, I don't know why it does it, and I haven't spent any time trying to figure out why, but it would push notifications say the camera has disconnected from the hub. But I think what's happening is the camera goes into like a sleep mode to save battery power, and it waits for motion to happen. So when it does that, it disconnects from the hub. But once it wakes up, it reconnects to the hub. So I turned off the push notification on that because it happens all the time, and I don't like it. I don't want to know. I really don't need to know. And it's worked just fine. So now you have the cameras here. You got the I got two cameras here, and they're both in standby mode. And I have the names of them, and you can see the current battery life on them. So you can click in on the camera itself that you want to live view, and it will open up the live stream. As you can see here, this is live stream in my backyard. It is dark outside. The light itself on the camera is not on, and this is just the night vision, as you can see here. Now at the top, you have the alarm, you have the flashlight. I can turn that on, flashlight on, and now it'll go to color night vision. It does an all right job there. We'll turn that off. The 4 quads there at the top right allows you to put all the cameras on. Well, we'll do it right now. It allows you to put all the cameras on live view, which is kind of cool, I guess. And then the settings icon, which we'll get into here. And then you can also do day and night or immersive view. I can pause the video. I can listen in on the video. I can take a picture, a snapshot, and I can record video that's going on or live action right now. High, this is clear, like a clear, balanced, and fluent. It's on high right now. I want it 4K. I want it as high quality as possibly can get. And then it allows me to go to landscape mode if I want to. The bottom, I can talk to the person. I can look at any clips and do playbacks here if I wanted to. So in the settings mode, this is the driveway camera, and you can see at 50% battery life. Display allows you to go to the display section. You can actually change what display you want. You can change. You can do, if there's a darker area, you can actually lighten up the picture. Sounds takes you, well, you can do a sound test, record audio. The light allows you to pick between, do you want color night vision at all times, or if there's motion, do you want the spotlight to turn on? Out back, if there's motion, I want the spotlight to turn on during the nighttime. It's kind of a deterrent. In the front, I already have front lights on. I don't want to turn on when there's motion, so you can set that up there. Motion detection, this is really nice. You can set the sensitivity here. Detection alarm, this allows you to do non-detection zones, which is nice. So if there's an area, like I have an area, it's kind of in my backyard. It's getting my neighbor's backyard just a little bit, and they have a dog that runs around the neighborhood, in the backyard. And I pretty much just tell it not to notify me if there's a dog running around there. Camera recording's on. Push notifications are on. Email alerts, FTP, nope. I don't have the siren turned on or the hub. I don't need the siren on, so it's not something I need. And then at the very top, you can click in on that. That tells you all the details about the camera. And that way you can give that to Reolink if you have any issues, and also update any firmware. Let's take a quick look at the video quality during the daytime and nighttime with color night vision, as well as standard night vision. Here's the quality of the video during the daytime. Right now I'm in the shade, but you can see there's a little bit of sun over here. But this is the quality of the video and the audio quality that you're going to get. And the camera is about 15, 16 feet up in the air. Here's the quality of the video at nighttime with just the infrared, and this is what you're going to get along with the audio quality. Here's the quality of the video you're going to get with the spotlight on, and the audio quality at night as well. No, it shouldn't matter, but this is what you're going to get. So here are my final thoughts. Are these the best 4K secure cameras out there? No. But for the price and their features, they are hard to beat. The fact that they are battery powered and have solar panels that can keep up with the charge, and you can literally install these anywhere because of that. That makes it a super nice, easy way of installing for most people out there that are maybe not super savvy of installing outlets out there. Let's just be honest, it's very difficult to install outlets wherever you want. So you can put these cameras wherever you want as long as there's sun for the solar panel to charge it. Now, as far as responsiveness of the motion notification, that's very important because the last thing you want to do is be alerted for motion and then get on the app and then notice that whatever happened is gone. It might still happen. You might have a dog run out there, alerts you, and by the time you look at the camera, it's gone. Or even someone delivering something. I've seen Amazon drivers where they jump out of their vehicle, run up, throw the package on the porch, and then leave. And so I still have the recording, but by the time I get my phone out of my pocket and open up the app and check out and see what the motion is, once it goes to live motion, sometimes they're gone. It just happens. It's going to happen with everything out there. Now, the cool thing is it does alert me when it senses a person, pet, or vehicle, and it does tell me what it is on the notification. However, it doesn't have a thumbnail so that I can quickly look into it. It's like when there's a thumbnail where I can click in or hard press in or whatever it is, whatever phone you have, and you can kind of see what it caught for motion. So I can determine right there if I want to go in and look and see what's going on, or if I don't need to go further than that. Reolink, if you're listening, or if anybody's listening from Reolink, if you can make that happen, I highly suggest you do it because I'm pretty sure everybody wants that. Now, if you've watched any of my security camera videos before, you know me. Local storage is a must. I hate paying for monthly subscription fees when I've already purchased the cameras, purchased the stuff that I need, and now I'm paying a monthly fee. Are you kidding me? So thankfully, Reolink is one of the players out there that don't charge you for extra stuff like that. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a like and feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for more tech reviews, home automation, and home and automotive how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.